Déjame hacerlo por ti. Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. Déjame. Let me hacerlo. Do it por ti. For you. Let me do it for you. Déjame hacerlo por ti. Let me do it for you. Esto reducirá el estrés. This will reduce the stress. This will reduce the stress. Esto, this, reducirá, will reduce el estrés, the stress. This will reduce the stress. Esto reducirá el estrés. Me veré diferente. I will look different. I will look different. Me veré. I will look diferente. Different. I will look different. Me veré diferente. I will look different. Responderé pronto. I will respond soon. I will respond soon. Responderé. I will respond pronto. Soon. I will respond soon. Responderé pronto. I will respond soon. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. I will be busy this evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré. I will be ocupado. Busy. Esta. This. Tarde. Evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. Ellos no irán. They will not go. They will not go. Ellos, they, no irán. Will not go. Ellos no irán. They will not go. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. The money will be sent today. El dinero, the money, será, will be, enviado, sent, hoy, today. The money will be sent today. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. El coche necesita una limpieza. The car needs a cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. El coche, the car, necesita, needs, una limpieza, a cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. El coche necesita una limpieza. The car needs a cleaning. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Follow me quickly. Sígueme. Follow me. Rápido. Quickly. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Saca la lengua. Take out your tongue. Take out your tongue. Saca. Take out. La lengua. Your tongue. Saca la lengua. Take out your tongue. Nos vemos raramente. We see each other rarely. We see each other rarely. Nos vemos. We see each other raramente. Rarely. Nos vemos raramente. We see each other rarely. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Which do you like more? ¿Cuál? Which? ¿Te gusta? Do you like? Más? More? ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Cruza esa calle. Cross that street. Cross that street. Cruza. Cross. Esa. That. Calle. Street. Cross that street. Cruza esa calle. Muéstrale eso a ella. Show it to her. Show it to her. Muéstrale eso. Show it to ella. Her. Show it to her. No es una lesión grave. It's not a serious injury. It's not a serious injury. No es. It's not. Una. A. Lesión grave. Serious injury. No es una lesión grave. It's not a serious injury. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. It's well deserved. Es bien. It's well. Merecido. Deserved. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. Tardará unos días en verificar todo. It will take a few days to verify everything. It will take a few days to verify everything. Tardará. It will take unos días, a few days, en verificar, to verify, todo, everything. Tardará unos días en verificar todo. It will take a few days to verify everything. Tu ayuda es muy apreciada. Your help is very appreciated. Your help is very appreciated. Tu ayuda, your help, es muy, is very, apreciada, appreciated. Your help is very appreciated. Tu ayuda es muy apreciada.